Hey everybody, Memphis J here from Black and Tan Media, and I just want to make sure some stuff is clear about how the contest is working. It's basically based off of our YouTube subscribers, but as I've been looking into how the YouTube subscribers work and what you see, if you do not allow your subscription privacy to show, if you don't allow your subscriptions to be public, then I can't see that you are subscribed to me, even though you're subscribed. So that may be why you don't show up. The way to fix it is really easy. Make your channel subscriptions public or private. Sign into YouTube. Click your account icon in the top right. That's up there. Click the settings. In the left menu, select privacy. Then under likes and subscriptions, check or uncheck the box for keep all of my subscriptions private. So basically how that works is you click up in the top right corner, click the settings, cog, gear, wheel, come over here, bang, privacy, and then make sure I've got these, but this keep my subscriptions private, do not check that. If it's checked, then it's private. So you want it unchecked. Uncheck keep my subscriptions private. And then say save. So bang. I didn't change anything in this case, but yes, that's how it works. And if you want to be entered into our contests for subscribers, then you need to make that change so that I see you. And yeah, we're gonna do that the first or second day of March. And we're going to use I think random.org on the internet to pull up a number and select 3 random numbers from the number of subscribers. So thanks for checking out this video. Hope it helps you win. So like and subscribe to win. We're giving away 3 Fury B F-36 drones at the beginning of March. So thanks. Holla back.